Every spring, we get calls from homeowners who see a bad storm is coming, and now they want a generator installed immediately. And we have to deliver some tough news. It's just not that simple. A standby generator installation isn't something that happens overnight, and if you wait until you need one, you're already too late. Here's what most people don't realize about the generator installation process. It starts with a permit. Before anything gets installed, we have to pull permits with your local municipality. That process alone takes time, and it's non-negotiable. There are no shortcuts. Then there's the sizing conversation. Not every home needs the same generator. The right unit depends on the size of your home, what you want powered, and whether you're connected to natural gas or propane. Getting that right takes a consultation, not a quick phone call. Then comes the installation itself. A Generac standby generator is permanently installed outside your home by a certified technician. It's connected to your fuel supply and wired directly into your electrical system with the automatic transfer switch. That means when the power goes out, it turns on by itself. No extension cords, no trips to the gas station, no manual startup, and it's so much safer. From the time you call to the time your generator is up and running, the process can take several weeks. At Foster Plumbing Heating, we are an authorized Generac dealer. We walk you through every step, the sizing, the permitting, the installation, so when the lights go out in your neighborhood, yours stays on. Don't be the person making a panic call in the middle of a hurricane season. Reach out to Foster Plumbing Heating today at fosterpnh.com or give us a call to schedule your free in-home generator consultation. Plan ahead, stay ahead.